Hey there everyone, this is 85cc Master. For the people that don't know my YouTube name, my real name is Dakota Holman. Today I'm going to be bringing you a video of me doing a demo of this Chinese chainsaw mill. So I've made the first cut with a timber tuff, which is one of these devices with my other chainsaw. I made the first initial cut with this. Just got a 2x6, drilled it down to this log, and you cut it vertical. See, it tips like that. And I cut my first cut vertical, flip the log over, I support it on these cement blocks, and now I'm going to make the rest of the cuts. I'm just going to do one on video with this style chainsaw mill. And Gramberg is the high dollar version of this. This is the same thing, it's just a Chinese brand. So, gonna give it a go. I got my depth for my cut set at 1.5 inches, and I got some little wedges, one to put on the end of the log, and the other smaller ones I made, I'll stick those in the log as I'm making the cut so it doesn't bind the blade. I got my PPE, helmet, gloves, face shield. I've worn the saw up off camera already. That's a Husqvarna 562 XP. It's got a ripping chain, 24-inch bar. This mill supports up to a 32-inch bar. So let's get to cutting. I'll set this down. So one camera that was up on the tripod ran out of storage while it was filming. Hopefully it got some of my cut. Anyways, I made the cut. Here's the board. 1.5 inches thick. A little closer up. I will cut the live edges off each side. Cut it into form, and that will be a board. Nice and smooth, look at that. So, chainsaw mill did good. I ain't got nothing bad to say about it. It does what it's supposed to. Just make sure your measurements are right when you adjust the measurement settings, because on this China mill they were a little off, so you have to measure it with a tape measure to make sure you're spot on. So that's what I had to do. But other than that, if I had a bigger saw it'd be easier, but I'm working with what I got, and I enjoy it. It's pretty fun. If you got any questions about it, just give me a holler, send me a message or whatever. I'm still fairly new at it, but I'm gaining experience every cut I make. It's fun, I enjoy it, and it's cheap. It's not expensive to do. You gotta buy your rip and change, you know, gas, bar oil, your saw if you don't already have one. The other design, this Timber Tough, you can use one of these as well to do everything that this does, but in my opinion this is a little bit slower to do, but hey, if you got money and can get both of them, you can utilize both of them. I utilize the Timber Tough design for the first cut and make the rest of the cuts with this kind of mill, so I don't have to keep readjusting the settings to make the first cut, then make the rest of the cuts to make the boards. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. It's Dakota Holman, or aka 85cc Master. Y'all have a great day. It's beautiful weather today in South Carolina on this Sunday morning. Beautiful. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Y'all have a good one. It's 85cc Master.